Hey guys, good morning. I woke up now about 9 o'clock, but I did wake up about 6:30 for a while. So I was about up for about an hour at that point. And then I slept, and I'm slept in deep sleep, but I had to wake up now because I have to hit the gym. I'll probably hit the gym later in the evening also. So it's a bit topsy-turvy the schedule, but I'm up now and I'll hit the gym at 10 o'clock and I'll probably go in the evening also. My mind's empty. I know there's so much that I need to do with right now. There's silence. I have nothing to say right now. There's just silence in the room. Hey guys, I'm in the gym now. I just got done with the 10 a.m. class and I am thinking whether I should do some gym or not. It is exhausting upper body and it chainsaw rows with 60 reps, 30 each side, and I'm exhausted. I'm thinking if I have the energy to do some gym or not. I'll probably do some pull-ups still. Yeah. Life's fucking hard. In fact, it's hard, but whatever is worth getting is really hard. That's the problem. Even a really fit body is really hard to get. So I'm working on it. A really fit life is also very hard to get. I'm working on that as well. दोस्तों this you can see here, ज़िंदगी उबलती हुई, ज़िंदगी उबल रही है यहाँ पे. The water is boiling and the milk is boiling. The water is already boiled and the milk should be boiled in a bit. I have no life lessons to show you here. This is all there is.
Hey guys, this is a really close video. Why so close to my face? This is not done. I haven't had the mental or the physical energy to do anything since last night. My mind is in some sort of a haze. धुंधलापन है तो मुझसे कुछ हो नहीं रहा. Since morning, all I've done is hit a gym session. I did upper body and 5:30 bajhe I'm going for a dance session. Then I did in the morning I also did some pull-ups, but I couldn't do any crunches because that machine is occupied. There's so many, like the gym is full of Haranvis all the time, like the self-workout gym. And they're talking Haranvi, they are looking Haranvi. It's Haranviization of the gym. I mean, there are other people also. For example, there's some trainers who are training some girls all the time, and they keep taking the machines away left and right. I mean, I hit the gym at about 10, post the 10 class, right? So 11 something, and it's just full of Haranvis and some girls who are being trained by trainers because they can't work out themselves. So I'm hitting the dance class at 5:30 and then I haven't done anything today. Like I postponed even the reels timings I have to send to my editor around, and I don't even have the mental space to do that. So I'll do the show today if it happens tonight. But my mind is not in its usual shape. My body is also tired. My legs are really tired. I did legs with what is it called? I did weighted squats the other day in the gym and my legs are really tired. On Saturday I did with 45 kilos weight on my shoulders. I don't know, maybe I'm just tired. I shouldn't inquire too much into the tiredness. It's just fatigue. Maybe it's a bit of sadness also. Why is it close to my face?
Hey guys, my mind wasn't working, so I've come to a dance class. I'm gonna hit a dance class at 5:30. It's about 5 minutes to go. But I posted on Insta. I mean, obviously I should have posted in the blog. I forgot that I just decided that kiwi is my favorite fruit. It's not mango anymore. It's kiwi. It's just takes a lot of effort to eat kiwi, but I've decided kiwi is my favorite fruit because it has the right texture. It looks beautiful. It's just I love kiwi and I love eating kiwi, right? So I should invest more time in eating kiwi in life. Just like orchids have been my favorite flowers, and I should gift myself orchids even if nobody gives me orchids, man. Because I love orchids. Hey guys, so I'm in the cafe right now. I just did my spot. I did an excellent 20 minutes. Did some crowd work. There were 4 people in the audience when I started the show. Now there are 5 people, and so I did a bunch of jokes, some new jokes, some old jokes, and everything went well. Great set of audience. Even they're less people and they're chilled, nice people. It's fun, right? So it is fun performing. I also asked them when I do my age jokes, guess my age. So this guy said 32, and I'm like, of course 40. So he's like, up to both, so that's the whole point. Look at this guy. This is fucking Gallagher Market on Monday night at about 11 o'clock, and I had struggled finding parking right now. Look at this. They're like people here all the fucking time. It's gone so popular that, like, especially at night, like imagine this is 11 o'clock. And it's full. It's like 6 o'clock. Hey guys, this is a quick day review. This is 11:40 and I'm done with the day. I did the show. The show was great. I did gym. Like, I went in the morning, I went in the evening, because otherwise I had a really lousy day. I did nothing else. My mind's been, obviously last night's review was a bit sad, no? I know I get sad sometimes, you know. It's not just fatigue, you know. There's, like, when we don't feel well, it's either fatigue, either sadness. It's sadness sometimes, you know, and we got to admit it's sadness or whatever it is. I mean, there are things that make us sad, and if we let them, you know, get over us, they'll fucking make us sad. If we don't let them get over us, then they don't make us sad. Because, I mean, even if you're alive, even if you're breathing, that's the reason to be happy, right? And sometimes those reasons don't work because the sadness just takes over us, you know. So yeah, it happened last night, but I'm feeling fine now. I had a decent day. I allowed myself some rest, and I did things which kind of made me feel better, like the gym, and I had a walk right now at Chai House, and the show went well. So I'm feeling better. Thank you. A couple of you sent messages, and thank you so much. That's the end of the day. Good night. Bye. Look at this fucking auto, man. Look at this auto. क्या लगा रखा है इसमें?